Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel ING credit card. To cancel your ING credit card, first of all launch open a web browser and then type in ing.be in order to end up in the official website for ING Bank. Once you get to this page, click on the Services button on the bottom left. Once you open up the Services option, click on My Card and select Terminate My Credit Card option. Now you'll need to sign into your ING online banking account by scanning the QR code or choose any other methods to log in. Once you're signed in, follow through the instructions and you will be guided through the process to cancel your credit card. Another way you can cancel your credit card is by contacting the customer service. From the Service and Contacts page, scroll down under Need Support and you will be provided with a customer service toll-free number. Make a phone call to the number provided and then mention that you'd like to cancel your credit card with the customer service agent. So that is how you will be able to cancel your ING credit card in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.